name is John Burns. I'm the Director of Product Commercialization here at Payroc. Roc Services, or an overview of Roc Services from a high level, it is an invoicing solution. But it's an invoicing solution that has a few different components. It's really meant for the services industry, as you might be able to guess by the name.
So Roc Services is really one of our first forays into creating a Payroc-centric product, hyper-verticalized in the services sector, and I'll get there in a second, but that we fully own, control, operate from A to Zeta, all the way through. That's unprecedented for Payroc. We've had third parties, we've had enormous success as we've grown, but now we're kind of at that sweet spot where we have the resources, we have the staff, we have the expertise to kind of put some of our own stuff out in the field.
So Roc Services really can help anyone from professional services again to field services kind of streamline their operation. So whether it's a small outfit with maybe just one person in a truck or a van by themselves, or it may be a really big operation that has a couple, multiple offices around the country and hundreds, if not thousands of service trucks, really it kind of helps these organizations streamline their business.
Roc Services is a card present solution as well as card not present. So field techs can use the mobile app component in the field and take a payment on their mobile app, or the back office can also send an invoice electronically to the customer.
It's for merchants that need to send out invoices, for merchants that need to set up recurring billing, or for merchants that need to collect payment in person, or for merchants that do a combination of all three.
With Roc Services, you can send an invoice and take payments anywhere you have an internet connection.
If you do have technicians in the field that need to collect payments in person, Roc Services has an application that works on an Android phone or an iPhone where they can take payments in person for any jobs that they do.
With Roc Services, we do have a recurring billing option. So merchants that need to be able to set up monthly subscriptions for maybe lawn cutting or snow removal, they can simply create a plan, add that customer to it, and then let it run on a monthly basis so they can just set it and forget it. You can schedule a technician for a field service and not have to worry about managing that yourself. Bid to estimate with Roc Services will allow you to send a bid for a job to a customer and they can electronically accept it or reject it. Also, with the bid to estimate, you can actually accept a deposit for a job once a customer accepts it.
If I'm in the office and I'm XYZ landscaping and on the fly I need to create an invoice and send it, I can do that. If I want to create an estimate or something out for bid, I can also do that.
There is one cost for the software, that is Roc Services. We didn't set up any types of tiered plan. There's no escalators or anything of that nature with Roc Services. It's one price for as many users as possible.
It really enables any type of field services or professional service to take what we consider business in a box and be able to apply that in all avenues of their kind of acceptance channels.
We've thought through most of this. It's going to be an evolving product. We are going to continue to add functionality to this product. But on day one, you as the merchant will be able to run your business. And probably one of the most important things is if you have a field service technician or you yourself are out in the field, you'll be able to take a card present transaction at that customer's residence or at their place of business right now. And again, that's going to help from efficiency standpoint and also velocity of realizing revenue. We think that's a massive add-on.